Once upon a time, in a quiet meadow surrounded by wildflowers, there lived a country mouse who was content with his simple life. His home was a cozy burrow under a large oak tree, where he could enjoy the fresh air, peaceful sounds of nature, and the beauty of the rolling hills. One day, he received an invitation from his cousin, the city mouse, to visit the bustling city and see what life was like there. Though he had always been curious, the country mouse was hesitant to leave his tranquil surroundings, but the invitation was too tempting to refuse. The country mouse prepared for his journey with excitement and a bit of nervousness. He packed some nuts and grains for the trip and set off toward the city. When he finally arrived at the grand house of his cousin, the city mouse greeted him warmly. The city mouse's home was enormous compared to the country mouse's little burrow. The furniture was elegant, the walls adorned with paintings, and the air smelled of rich food. The city mouse led his cousin into a lavish dining room where an array of tasty treats awaited them. As the country mouse looked at the food, his mouth watered. There were fine cheeses, freshly baked bread, and decadent sweets piled high. It was nothing like the simple grains and nuts he ate back home. However, as they began to enjoy the feast, the country mouse could not help but notice how loud and chaotic the city seemed. The clatter of dishes, the bustling footsteps, and the distant honking of cars overwhelmed his senses. He quickly realized that the peace and quiet he was used to were nowhere to be found. After they had eaten, the city mouse eagerly showed his cousin more of the city, promising that this was the true way to live. But before they could explore further, a loud meow echoed through the room. The country mouse's heart raced as a large cat entered, prowling around the kitchen. The two mice scrambled to find cover, terrified of being caught by the cat. They hid under a table, trying to stay as still as possible while the cat sniffed around. Once the cat left, the two mice cautiously returned to the food, but their peace was short-lived. Soon after, a human servant entered the room, her footsteps heavy on the ground. The mice darted away again, hiding in the shadows. The country mouse's nerves were frayed, and he began to realize that, though the food was delicious, the constant fear of being caught was too much for him to handle. He longed for the safety and serenity of the countryside. The city mouse, however, seemed unbothered by the chaos. He continued to enjoy his luxurious food, seemingly at home in the midst of the danger. "This is the way of life in the city mouse said with a grin. There is excitement, adventure, and indulgence. There's no better place to be." The country mouse nodded but felt a growing sense of unease. He realized that, while the city offered many pleasures, it was far too risky and stressful for him. As the day wore on, the country mouse became more and more exhausted. The constant running, hiding, and feeling of danger wore him down. Finally, he told his cousin, "I've seen enough. The food here is indeed wonderful, but the fear and stress that come with it are too much for me. I would much rather return to my peaceful life in the countryside." The city mouse was surprised but understood. He knew that not everyone could appreciate the thrill of city living. The country mouse bid farewell to his cousin and headed back home, feeling a sense of relief as he left the noisy city behind. The countryside welcomed him with open arms. There was no loud traffic, no rushing crowds, just the gentle breeze and the chirping of birds. He returned to his simple life, content with his modest home, knowing that peace and safety were more valuable than the luxury and excitement of the city. Though the city mouse remained in his grand house, enjoying his delicious food and embracing the constant excitement, he couldn't help but think about his cousin's decision. Perhaps there was something to be said for the simplicity and safety of the country. He realized that the lifestyle he had grown accustomed to was not for everyone, and he admired his cousin's ability to choose peace over indulgence. In the end, the two mice learned valuable lessons from their experiences. The country mouse learned that the peace of the countryside was more important than the danger of city life, while the city mouse realized that not all luxuries were worth the risk. They both understood that happiness didn't come from wealth or extravagance but from finding contentment in the life that suited them best.